New at 10, from complaints to cleanup, the Jefferson House Apartments in Beaumont are showing signs of a turnaround. KFDM, the first to report last week the property was declared a public health nuisance.
City leaders say repairs and landscaping are now underway, and residents say they are seeing a noticeable difference around the complex. KFDM's Kennedy Hobb joins us live in the newsroom with what one resident says has been an improvement. Kennedy?
Kimberly, Aaron, the city is now seeing movement at the property with maintenance and landscaping crews working to improve the complex. One resident tells me the change is especially noticeable when it comes to the grounds. Last week, the Jefferson House Apartments at the corner of Delaware and Lucas drew our attention following reports of raw sewage and poor conditions. Now, the city says the property is making progress. With crews on the ground and improvements residents say they can see. Mayor Pro Tem Cory Crenshaw took to his Facebook to address the property upkeep thus far, saying part quote, "Today they have a plumber on site doing major repairs and landscaping crews." Councilman Crenshaw says he pushed for the property to be declared a public health nuisance last week. He says that action was aimed at getting the property owner to address longstanding concerns. Those efforts are now producing results. Crenshaw says he will continue monitoring the complex as the work continues. One resident who preferred to remain anonymous says the difference outside is already noticeable. One tenant says the grounds have came a long way since she moved in April.
And the grounds was not like it was almost a forest out here.
So you'd say it's improved since?
Yes, improved a lot.
She says the landscaping was once so overgrown she could not even let her dog outside. Now she says that's changed.
But now I'm able to bring him out, because it was a mess around here, it really was.
She also says she's seeing maintenance workers around the property more often, another sign she believes improvements are underway.
They trying to improve, and I have been seeing maintenance around.
The resident also says property management has been responsive when residents submit maintenance requests.
I'm on the list. She did tell me about myself.
KFDM reached out to the apartment complex management for comment. We have not heard back. Crenshaw says for now, the improvements are a step in the right direction, and he says the city will continue keeping a close eye on the property, making sure the work continues and residents see lasting changes. City officials say the improvements are still ongoing, and Councilman Crenshaw says he plans to continue monitoring the property. For now, residents say the changes around the complex are already noticeable. Reporting live in the newsroom, Kennedy Hobbs, Aaron, Kimberly, back to you.